Hi everyone, welcome back. I have another subscription box to open with you. This is Luxury Diva, and it is a $30 subscription box, but you can also just get a single box for $35 if you don't want to commit. I did get the 3-month subscription, and I don't really know what else going to be in here.
So it could be a variety of things. We haven't opened it yet. So they might have masks, scarves, jewelry, leggings, plus size clothing, if you chose that, sunglasses, socks, menswear, and there might be some private label things. And it's just going to be a mystery when we open this up to see what we get, or what Melissa gets.
Yeah, they had just a short survey to help curate it to you. It wasn't real in depth though, so we'll just see what we get. I can open it. Oh, it's taped on the sides.
She's prepared. Melissa is the type of girl that is prepared to open boxes.
Box opener. Alright, let's see if that... Woo! Alright, it says Luxury Divas. And then this is what it looks like.
It's personalized. Hello, Melissa. Welcome to the LD Accessories box. We hope you enjoy all the fun goodies we've included for you in the May box. Stay safe and be well. Love, your friends at Luxury Divas. So there's their logo and the personalized message. And
actually, I found this box through another YouTube subscriber. It was Southern Mom, and I'm kind of thinking this is her same curator. I think it was Marina. Anyways, that's cool. So then they have a page in here. I think it tells you what's in there.
Oh, all the details. So as she pulls things out, I will describe them. Look at that.
So look how nicely packaged that is.
Tissue paper wrapped. It's like a specialized gift.
Yeah, it looks like an envelope. Okay, so it's all, whoa, I seen Skittles.
Ooh, candy.
Let's see. There's a Skittles.
Oh, so you get candy. You could get
little
candy.
goodie.
Alright,
so looks like
leggings.
Leggings!
So they are navy blue, seamless capri, valued at $16.
Ooh, that's like that spandexy feel.
Yeah.
Those are soft.
Oh yeah, super stretchy.
I don't know why I smelled it.
Because we do sniff things. We sniff things.
But just look at that band. That's a thick, stretchy band.
Yeah. Denim blue, and it is the Yolette brand.
Alright.
Awesome.
Nice.
Look, they look like one size fits all.
Cool. Alright. Next thing. Look, we got some little baggies.
Ooh, so this will have sunglasses. Oh, they're going to look so cool, Melissa. Ooh. Black rhinestone with a soft case.
I actually don't wear sunglasses because I always wear regular glasses. So that might be a great gift for someone. But look at that. Those are cute. Let's try them on anyway. Maybe one day I'll get some
maybe
contacts.
If you're out by the pool and you don't need your sunglasses or your real glasses, you're just hanging out.
How cute are those?
Those are cute.
I might just have to get some contacts. Yeah. And they fit really nice and snug on my head too.
Awesome.
They're not gonna blow off.
I would wear those, even though I wear glasses. I would hang out by the pool without my glasses and just risk walking into the pool just to look fabulous.
Those are nice.
Those are very nice.
Does it say how much they're?
A value of $20.
Ooh,
so
some $20 glasses. Yeah, fancy.
And she got the black pair.
All right, next we have some,
okay.
Some earrings.
Rose gold filigree teardrop earrings. So classic teardrop shape with added shimmer and shine. It has laser cutouts to give them that sparkle with the delicate floral and leaf details. So
I I never wear dangly earrings, so let's see what they look like. They do not have the little stoppers on them. That's a little disappointing, but...
They are valued at $16. So...
I don't know. Maybe.
Can you find your ear hole?
There it is. How's that? Is that
so
me?
Pretty, yeah. If you don't wear those, I know someone who would.
They look a little big for me. I don't know. We'll try them and see. Alright. Next, we got this little baggie.
Okay, so Do Glow. That is a facial primer and lint plumper. So 2 things in there. And offers hidden benefits such as added wear for your foundation and movie star plump lips. So you should put that on your lips real quick and see if they like swell up by the time we're finished with this video.
Okay. Is that this one? Yep. Lip glaze.
Expect a tingle. Ah! Expect a tingle.
Came out fast. Oh. Yep. It's like it has that stuff like in Ben Gay. What is that?
Yeah, that peppermint, the oil, the menthol.
Menthol. That's what it is. Yes. Yep.
So they'll be tingling. Let's see. Let's get a good look at your lips. Okay. Zoom in there so we can see how big your lips are. All right.
All right. And here's what this looks like.
Looks like this.
It didn't break!
So, is it super liquidy?
Yes.
It is. So, if we open it, you can see the drops are free-flowing, so it is super... Hold your finger hand out. Is it oily or is it smooth?
Oh, very oily.
Very oily.
Very oily.
Soothing and vitamin enhanced. So it says it is a primer oil, so...
Yeah, so definitely
not
oily.
For oily skin. Most likely for dry, aged skin.
Which, I have dry skin. Very dry skin, so we'll see how well that works. Alright, here is another little baggie. It's super cute.
I bet that inside... Oh, wait, we need to backtrack just a minute. The plumpers had a value of $15.
Ooh.
So, okay.
Nice.
And this is, I expect it to be a bracelet.
Ooh.
So, Shine Like Royalty, your stunning new bracelet has glass and beads fit for a queen. Ooh, that is pretty. Valued at $25 and available in blue and purple. And she got the purple. That is
I don't know how to wear it.
Pretty. Let's see.
It looks like it has a hinge on it, but... Ooh, oh, there we go.
Okay. Yeah, oh, it's almost magnetic. Whoops. So, it unhinges, and then you would stick this back in there and close it. So, it's not magnetic, it just seemed that way. So, it snaps around the little end.
Ooh, and this little chain makes it to where it fits pretty good. Like, it's not gonna...
So it looks like it might fall off, but it's not going to. Awesome. It's got 2 layers and then the end. Oh, that's so beautiful. Very nice. Now, see, I wish I would have got this box.
Now the last item, it's super shiny. Okay,
it is a silver mesh metallic shawl wrap. So shimmery fringe, and it's lightweight. So it is perfect for your next special occasion. So you effortlessly drape it around your shoulders or wear around your arms at the elbow. So on an evening when you just want something to throw over your arms when you go out. Just so you feel like you have something on you. Fantastic.
It's quite large.
Yeah.
So it is like a shawl.
Yeah, very nice, very nice. And that has a $10 value. Available in black, gold, and silver, and she got the silver. So, awesome. Total retail value, $102. So Melissa saved $60 and she gets all of these fabulous things.
Nice. I'd say my favorite thing is the leggings until we see what happens with the plumper and the primer oil. So let's see.
Awesome.
Do we look fuller?
Maybe a little. They're definitely shiny. Definitely
They
shiny.
are shiny, and they do have that menthol tingle. But I'd say this is my least favorite item in here. I did, in the survey, I know it asked me what's my favorite color and what's my least favorite color. Now, this isn't, my least favorite color was white. And this isn't white, but my favorite color was black. So this is a lot closer to the least favorite than to my most favorite. So,
right. Because they could have given her black.
Yeah, I could have gotten black. So, but it's still cute, and I'll probably use it.
Awesome.
All right.
Fantastic, Melissa. Anything you don't want, you know, you've got a friend.
Yep, I've got plenty of gifts, and to be honest, that's why I got all of these subscriptions, is because whatever I don't want, I can use for gifts. So, whatever you guys, if you guys don't like what you get, you can always re-gift it. They're great quality, and you save so much money on getting these. It's just really fun unboxing them and seeing what you get.
It's like a treat for yourself.
Yeah, and you know, you're always gonna be able to use at least one or two of these items, and with how much they cost, as long as you like something out of these boxes, it'll be worth it, because I paid $30 and it's $102 price value. So anyways, thanks for joining us, and if you like what you see, go ahead and look up Luxury Diva. Southern Mom has a coupon, a really nice coupon, so if you are interested, you should go check her out. Okay. Nice being with you. Have a great day.